I'm chewing a Dorito.
It is day 21 of beta. We're filming 2, like, actual videos today, not vlogs.
Tutorials.
2 tutorials. I guess multiple tutorials. I don't know how many it's going to be broken into.
At least 2, though.
At least 2.
So,
and
one of them is a nail tutorial.
So we're waiting for our nails to dry right now, and we felt unproductive. Unproductive.
So we're eating
Doritos.
Hooray!
And jelly beans.
And don't forget
Baby bottle
pops. You lick the pop, dip it, and
shake it. Then lick it again.
Baby bottle pops. That's how cool we are.
But yeah, I saw a commercial for Baby Bottle Pops today, which made me really want one. Because, we eat Baby Bottle Pops all the time anyways, it's not a different thing. But they changed the song. That song we just sang, it's not the song anymore.
It's not, which is depressing. My dog is begging and it's really cute. Look. Oh, she says, give me some Doritos. She doesn't get any. Why are you making that face at me?
Oh, Dorito just fell out of my mouth.
It's a good Saturday.